I bought me a sharp rifle with a falling block, accurate for 1,000 yards with a wooden stock. I wanted to own one all of my life, so I went and bought one with the blessing of my wife. It had a double-set trigger, it cost me a bundle of gold. It had a rich history, so I've been told. It said Billy Dixon at the Battle of Adobe Wells stopped a native warrior at 1,500 yards. I took it out to fire, it put me on the ground. It had a mighty kick, man, I just found. Can't keep it in my gun rack for fear it might get stole. I'll hang it over my fireplace and admire it as I grow old.